Subtraction of complex numbers. Okay, so here we are going to subtract 8 minus 7i from 15 minus 4i. So this is the first complex number 15 minus 4i, and second complex number is 8 minus 7i. And this process of subtraction is similar to the process of subtracting linear equations or any polynomials for that matter. Okay, let us see. So in my step 1, I'll take care of this parenthesis. Here nothing, no sign is there, negative sign before this parenthesis, so I can just bring down 15 minus 4i as it is. Now this is subtraction, right? The complex number which has to be subtracted, we have to change the sign of both the real and imaginary part. Also, you can think like this. Here there is a 1. So using distributive property, negative 1 times positive 8 is negative 8, right? So minus 8, negative times negative is positive. 1 times 7i is 7i. Or you can just think as on dropping these parentheses, I have to change the sign because of the subtraction. This positive 8 changes to negative 8, and negative 7i changes to positive 7i. And in my next step, I'll write the real numbers together, the real part of this, and the imaginary numbers together. That is, we are combining those real part with the real and imaginary with imaginary. So I'm getting this is 15. Okay, 15 minus 8. These two are the real parts. And I here, right? That is the imaginary part. That is minus 4i plus 7i. So we'll just combine those. 7i. What do you get from 15 minus 8? 15 minus 8, that is 7, straightforward. And here I have minus 4i plus 7i. Combining these two together, what do you get? From 7i, take away 4i. 7 minus 4 is 3 with the positive 3, right? So that's my answer. A resulting complex number. This is the difference between those two complex numbers. That is 15 minus 4i minus 8 minus 7i will give us 7 plus 3i. That's all. Okay. So I want you to practice these also. Like, try to answer these two problems. You have 8 plus 5i minus negative 4 minus 13i. And the second one is 7 minus 3i minus 8 plus 5i. Okay, so please try. Thank you.